In this video, I am going to show you how to activate your Payoneer card. To activate your physical card online, sign in to Payoneer. Select Payoneer Cards. Locate the card requiring activation and click Activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your card. Please note that you cannot activate a card if it has not arrived yet. You will need full details of the card in order to activate it. But if you want to activate a virtual online card, sign in to Payoneer, select Payoneer Cards. On the relevant virtual card, click Activate. You will be presented a window to fill in the 16-digit full card number. Read through and check the boxes if you agree to the relevant policy and terms and conditions. Once done, click on Activate again to complete the activation. Please note that when you activate the card, you will be required to enter the 16-digit full card number. This card number can be viewed in a one-time link, which is placed in an automatic email that will be sent to you once the card is approved. In case you have viewed the card details but did not note them down and have forgotten the details, you'll need first to retrieve all the card details to view it again and then initiate the activation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this quick tutorial, I am going